Okay, I'm going to show you how to put this song at the right time into Musescore. I have a picture right here. I have two monitors, so I'll leave this picture on the second monitor just for reference. So I already put in the melody. You can basically just open a new score. You can type in the title here. There's a subtitle if you want. I just skipped it for this one. Composer, that's going to be on the right side. On this one, it's going to be the same, but Mosey Lister on the right side, and then I think it's the same on the left. Mosey Lister, I looked that up, so it doesn't matter. But I just remember the lyricist goes on the left because there's an L. So lyrics on the left, composer on the right. There's also the copyright, but I don't usually worry about the copyright. And then you can just go over to next. You can do choose instruments. You can get into some pre-organized like template files if you want like an orchestra ready to go. I just choose the choose instruments button, and for most hymns I'll just grab a keyboard and a piano like this. The key signature, which is going to be an F, so just the one flat, so click that and then click next. This is in 4/4. There is a pickup measure right here, so it's a quarter note pickup, so you can do 1/4. The number of measures I don't mess with. You can count them, but you can always add them later, so I'll just typically ignore that for later. And then I like to add the tempo just for reference. Most hymns are about 100 beats per minute. I think maybe this one might be around 90, but it's kind of just preference. So I like to put the tempo in there just so other people know how fast the song goes, and then you can click finish. I'll just cancel this because I already have the score right here. Going back to the tempo, you can always click on this one and change this to whatever. I can make this 120 if I like. Just type in the number and then click away from it and it changes it. But I'll leave this back at 90 for now and then see how that sounds. Make sure to save in case the program ever crashes on you. A few things I did real quick. I put in the melody. There's also this repeat bar right here. So if you click on a measure, here I'll actually get rid of the repeats just so you can see. So if you click on the first measure, and then if you go to this palette bar right here, it should be shown on yours, but if it's not, you can go to view and then palettes right here. On my computer, it's F9. So if it's not showing, you can always go here and click on view and then go to palettes, and then there you go. Anyways, click on the first measure, and then we'll go to bar lines, and then this is the first, the left repeat, I should say. This song is going to repeat 3 times because there's 3 verses. So I'll put one at the beginning and then just one at the end. So click on the last measure, and then you'll do the right repeat. You'll want to use this one. This other one is kind of for like if you have multiple sections repeating, so you probably won't use that for most cases. Anyways, just click on this one once. So now you have both bars. Click on the last measure, and then if you right click, you can click on measure properties, and this will show you some information. But the main thing is right here, play count is going to be 3, and that's because there's going to be 3 verses on the song. So you want to have that at 3, and then push OK. And that is it. So I'm going to type in the notes real quick, and I will show you how to enter the lyrics in just a minute.